2010, our nation started a health initiative to fight childhood obesity with the support of many different community organizations and churches, including the Adventist Church. Adventist in Step for Life is an opportunity to live and share this message in a broader context and make a positive impact for Christ. It is an opportunity to partner with the community and show that we care as we make our neighborhoods healthier by creating safe places for physical activity and providing access to affordable, healthy food. Miami Temple's Health Ministry has been promoting this program, and we have started an annual activity day called Let's Move Day. The video showed compilations of pictures and videos from both Let's Move Day from 2012 and 2013, and it takes place in the fall. We have also asked our church members and community friends to sign up to www.adventistinstepforlife.org and track their activity miles. We will distribute pamphlets with more information on how this program works in the coming weeks, and they will be available in the information desk in the church foyer. Today, we acknowledge those members that have exercised faithfully in 2013, logging at least 100 activity miles per quarter. They will each receive a medal and a gift card of their choice as a small gift for their efforts last year. Here are the names of those who will receive awards today. Martha Grassel with 833 miles. Norman Vickers with 450 miles. Walter Kiss with 1,500 miles. Jennifer Garcia with 422 miles. Kenneth Garcia with 198 miles. Walter, Kenneth, and Jennifer were not able to be here today. They send their apologies. Francisco Ramirez with 414 miles. We also have a cumulative activity miles for the Pathfinder, for the Miami Temple Pathfinder Club. We'll be giving them an award in a later date. They had 290 activity miles. Congratulations to each of you and your accomplishments for 2013. Martha, I have a couple questions for you. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
82.
Did you hear that? 82 years old. Why do you exercise?
Well, because it's good for my health, and after I exercise, I feel better.
I must tell you that this lady walks an hour almost every single day. She completed more than 800 activity miles last year. And in fact, looking at her medals, I think she is Miami Temple's version of Michael Phelps. Don't you agree? Martha, when I grow up, I want to be like you. I know I speak for the entire Health Ministry Committee when I tell you that you are an inspiration to us all. Thank you for that. We encourage each of you to join us in this health initiative. It is not just about exercise, but about making changes in the way that you move daily, eat, sleep, etc. If you are interested, please contact any of the health ministry leaders for more information. Until June of this year, your health ministry leaders are Narissa Sterling, Health Ministry Director, Connie Badillo, Dr. Gerson Diaz, Wilney Audain, Perla Audain, Juan Carlos Zengotita, Lynette Rubiano Travieso, Marlene de Lima, Giselle Thomas Perez, Walter Kiss, Stephanie Smith, Michelin Aristide, Chantal Guillaume, Brandon Maury, and myself, Maria Maury, who is the site coordinator for Miami Temple at the Adventist in Step for Life website. We are all at your service. Thank you, and may you have a healthy Sabbath day.